What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and this is an iPhone 15 Pro case video. Shout out to the good folks over at Ghostek. They sent out a case for your boy to show y'all for the iPhone 15 Pro. And this is what Ghostek calls the Covert 7. Now, this is a clear case, as you can see, and it features MagSafe. Really cool case here, really cool looking case. Can't wait to get it out. But let's take a look at the packaging. We got that R2X impact technology, so that's some good drop resistance and drop absorption. MagSafe compatible, drop tested 8 feet, and it's got a raised lip around the camera. You know, that's very important because those cameras do protrude. And again, shout out to the folks over at Ghostek. As you can see, Covert 7 by Ghostek. Just goes more into detail on the back. As you can see, MagSafe reactive button, so they must got a nice button press. HD clear back, full transparent, that's dope. Raised camera lip, detailed cutouts, so non-slip grip. They've been watching BG Tech Life. Non-slip grip, I talk about that a lot. Grip is a big part of drop protection. Don't drop your device. We got a pretty easy unboxing here. We're just gonna slide the case out like so. We presented with the case all wrapped up, but as you can see, like a black transparent colorway. But let me get it all the way out for y'all so we can go over it. Here we have the Covert 7 by Ghostek, guys. You can see nice and transparent. You see my fingers, they're the same color. Super clear case here. Big MagSafe ring in black. Very dope colorway here, guys. I'm liking this color. I'm liking this darker colorway. Clear back. It's like a TPU on the side, but a darkened TPU, like a black transparent type TPU. And we got a lot of raised up protection on these corners. A lot of times your device will drop and it'll hit a corner, so we got a lot of drop absorption installed on this case. Air absorption going on right here on each corner. Even on the bottom, looks really good. Nice big cutout for your Type-C on your iPhone 15 Pro. Now, as you can see, we got a cutout for the action button. I prefer like a button, but nice big cutout. You can get to it. Volume rocker with slits. You know, I like the slits. It makes it an easy button press when you put slits on these TPU cases. So same type of button press for the power button. As you can see, we got some Ghostek branding. And these grips are very nice, guys. Get a nice grip on your case. Have a nice grip on your device so you don't drop it in the first place. We also got a spot for a lanyard. So we got the iPhone 15 Pro in a case, guys, and I like how this looks. This is a good colorway. Looks good, especially on the darker colorway iPhone 15 Pros. That ring is super hard body though. I like this raised up ring around the camera, and this accent color is definitely going to protect your cameras. So we got the 15 Pro and the Covert 7, guys. I think this is a good looking colorway, especially on the darker iPhones, and this camera ring looks really good. It's nice and raised up to protect your camera sensors, but at the same time, this accent color just looks fire with this case. And the accent colors that's raised up that protect your camera actually match the accents that's going on in the bumpers on the side of the case. Actually, where you got that air corner drop protection type protection, this is actually matching. So I mean, this is a good looking case aesthetically, guys. You see the big MagSafe ring cutouts. All cutouts are on deck. As you can see, nice big cutout for your Type-C, and that button press is nice, easy, and tactile. Now with this case, you're gonna have a lot of raised lip protection. That's something definitely dope that you want. You want the case to protrude past the display, so in case of a drop, the case takes the impact instead of your display. It will protect you from a shattered or cracked screen. But this is the Covert 7 from Ghostek. Really good looking case here, guys. I'll put a link down in the description. You can check it out. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Shout out to Ghostek. I'm out. Peace.